ready to rock out at Get Shamrocked in Murrieta Town Center, presented to you by Q1033 and iHeartRadio. Mike Dillinger, thank you for the hookup. Looking to have so much fun here at this Irish Music Festival. The bands are not here yet, nobody's here. Just getting ready, getting started, but this place is gonna be packed. We're all gonna rock it out here, have some fun. So let's go have it. Fun here, Get Shamrock, concert started, they're already rocking and rolling, having a blast, so gonna have a couple drinks, gonna have some fun, listen to some great music, so let's do this.
How long for you now as the church steeple rings, the square of the town where the orphans now sing. I'm far and away, in a place so unknown, so cold and so gray, so far from my home. The bowman has come to collect his control, exchange to be free, I gave him my soul.
Alright, these next guys coming on are Quel Bordel. I'm really looking forward to them. They've so far been really cool. Got to meet a lot of the guys in the band and everything like that. They look like rock stars, so this is going to be a lot of fun seeing them perform. Let's see what they got.
Wants a fake limousine to take you shopping, then to buy all the things that she finds amusing. Her singing la 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 la.
Yo, what's up? It's Mike from the Fighting Jamesons. Subscribe to this channel, Married with Wanderlust. I can't spell that, but you can. Look down below. They'll spell it fucking for you. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Flatfoot 56. Let's see what they got. They sound pretty sick so far, but really haven't had a chance to check them out. Let's do this.
I was crippled as a small child by the laws that were fed to me. And at the end of this long life, I'm still the blind one that couldn't see.
Alright, so here we are again at Get Shamrocked. It is day 2. Once again, thank you, Mike Dillinger, for hooking it up. Here with my wife, couple friends, gonna have some fun. Just can't wait to rock it out with all these bands. Last night was a blast. Looking forward to today. We got Kodi Lee and a whole bunch of other people, so let's go have some fun and check it all out.
This year's America's Got Talent winner, Mr. Kodi Lee and his band, The Midnight Satellites.
absolutely killed it. Such a great show. Thank you guys. Thank you 103.3. Being part of this has been absolutely amazing.
Sailor, what would you do with a drunken sailor? What would you do with a drunken sailor?